Welcome to Simple Colors Studio. Today we will draw a cute ice cream bowl and color it. First of all, I am drawing the bowl. Like this. Now I am drawing a very delicious strawberry on top. Like this. Now I am drawing 4 ice cream scoops. And a wafer here. Now I am drawing 2 cute eyes on the bowl. Cheeks and a smiling mouth. Fantastic!
Yay!
Now I am making this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I am starting with strawberry. I am coloring its stem green and red in the strawberry. Now I am coloring the scoops. Yellow. Pink. Blue. Green. Now let's color the wafer with brown and pink. I am coloring the cute cheeks with pink. Finally, I am coloring the bowl with orange. Our ice cream bowl is looking so delicious.
Yay!
If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next video.